Recording in progress.
ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು. ನೀನೇ ಇದು ಹಾಫ್ ಅನ್ ಅವರ್ ಒಂದು ಮುಖ ತೊಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡು. ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಇವತ್ತು ಥರ್ಸ್ಡೇ ಕಣಲೇ ಮಕ್ಕಳೇ.
ಯಾವ ಬಿಗಿಗೆದ್ದಾನ ಅವ್ರ ಅಪ್ಪ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗ್ಯಾನ. ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಹೋಗಿ ಮಕ್ಕ ತೊಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಾರಲೆ ಮಗನೇ ಅನ್ನತಾನ. ಇವತ್ ಸಂಡೆ ಅನ್ನತಾನ. ಇವತ್ ಥರ್ಸ್ಡೇ
ಅಂತ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಆಫ್ ఉంది
ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಂದ
ಇವತ್ತು ನಾಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಅವಲಕ್ಕಿ ಮಾಡ.
ರೊಟ್ಟಿ ತರಸಂಗಾರ
Hello friends, very good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Please check your notes. Any doubt from yesterday's class? Good morning, everyone. Good morning. Okay. Rakshita is asking about. They had asked the question on direct trace. Yes, yes. So that is direct trace of the sun falls on December 21st. Sorry, 1 second. So direct rays of the sun falls on the equator. So they're asking equator. Okay, not Tropic of Cancer, not Tropic of Capricorn. If they ask you about equator, it is March 21st and September 23rd. Okay, so March 21st and September 23rd is the right answer. Okay, direct rays of the sun will fall on equator on those 2 dates. Okay, I think those topics I will cover in future classes. Okay, because like in yesterday's topic, we have discussed that, right? In yesterday's class. The latitude topic we were discussing, correct? So 1 second, let me open that file. So what was the topic we were discussing? We were discussing okay, let me complete that. Yes, Vaishnavi, both are correct answer. Yes, both are correct. That is in yesterday's class. Remember, I was giving you the dates yesterday. Please check your notes here. Please check your notes and also see the screen here. Remember the dates I have written here. See the dates I have written. December 22nd here on December 22nd on Tropic of Capricorn. Then March and September equator, on the equator. See the equator. Okay, so see the dates here. How many of you can see the screen? How many of you can see the screen here? So in yesterday's class, I have given the dates. So this is equator. See. Now you tell me. Sun rays is on equator, vertical over equator on which 2 dates? March 21st and September 23rd. Agree? Agree? Yes. So when the sun rays are vertical over the equator, so sun rays are equally divided. Okay, when I say the sun rays are vertical over equator means sun rays are equally divided. So the day and night becomes equal. We call it as equinox. How many of you heard of this word equinox? Equinox means equal night and day. Day and night are equal. Equal night means day and night will be equal. So all the students who didn't attend the test, please take the test today. Please take the test today. So Vaishnavi, I'll check that because I don't know what they had given. The options I will ask them to check. Okay, don't worry. So remember this, friends. So I'm going to repeat this topic again. So this is what we were discussing yesterday. The important latitudes, parallels we were discussing. Latitudes are angular measurement of a place with respect to the equator and center of the earth. Same latitudes, if we connect, we get parallels. Parallels are lines of same latitude. So 3 thermal zones are tropical, temperate, and polar. Okay, depending upon where you are located on the earth. If you are located in this belt, it is called as tropical belt. Tropical belt between Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. So please notice, because of the tilt of the earth, sun remains between these 2 parallels. These two parallels. In the month of June, Sun is over Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. In the month of December 22nd, Sun is over Tropic of Capricorn. Capricorn. How many of you know that these are all zodiac signs that coincides with the Sun's location? The zodiac signs which coincide with the Sun's location is given here. So if you have your birthdays in June 21st, somewhere around that, you'll know that you belong to Cancer, correct? Cancer zodiac sign. If you are somewhere in 22nd, 23rd, 24th of December, you are Capricorn. Capricorn, right? So these are the zodiac signs which coincide with the Sun's location. So we have used the word Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. So on 2 dates, Sun is exactly over the equator. March 21st and September 23rd, Sun is exactly over equator. So we get equinox, day and night equal. That is on these 2 dates. What about here or here? What happens when the Sun is here or here? The day and night will be different. The duration of day and night will be different. Notice that we are in July. July Sun is here. July. How many of you know today we are in July? Correct? We are in July here. June, July. Means Sun is in northern hemisphere. Sun is in northern hemisphere. So our days are longer, nights are shorter. How many of you have noticed that? Notice sunrise to sunset time. Sunrise to sunset time, you notice. Days are longer, night is short. It is not exactly 12-12. Okay. It is not exactly 12-12. Days are longer than night. But when Sun comes here, September 23rd, then our day and night will become equal. 12 hours day, 12 hours night. Okay, 12 hours day, 12 hours night on September and March 21st, September 23rd. What happens when the Sun comes to southern hemisphere here? Here the days are going to get shorter. Nights will become longer for us. Okay, 1 second. Here, when the Sun comes to southern hemisphere, please notice. When the Sun comes to southern hemisphere here, the days will become longer here and night will become shorter for them. So this variation of day and night is called as solstice. Solstice. The day and night different is called as solstice. Okay, in the month of October, I'll take example October. October Sun will be here. So again, for southern hemisphere, the day will be longer, night will be short. Okay, for them. For southern hemisphere. So this variation of day and night is called as solstice. What is sol? Sol means sun. Sol means sun. Stice means variation. Stice means variation. So please remember this topic, friends. Already we have discussed Earth, equator, Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, Antarctic Circle, North Pole, South Pole. Correct. We have discussed tropical, temperate, polar. The location of Sun we have discussed in the yesterday's class. Remember the graph. The Sun graph I have given you, na? This one. You remember. This graph you have to remember. So let's apply this to India now. Okay, let's apply this to India now. Whatever we have discussed, let's apply it to India. Now, all of you please take an open sheet, draw the map of India now. Okay, take a blank sheet, draw a map of India. Even I am drawing here on the screen. I am drawing. You can draw. Okay. Please draw properly. We have a very beautiful country. Hope all of you are able to see the screen. Okay, please draw the map. Oh, hope it does. Hope it looks like India. Okay. Okay. So please write. So let's mark important parallels. Okay. So we all know that India is in northern hemisphere. India is located in northern hemisphere. Yes, that we know. Okay. Our southernmost point is Great Nicobar here. Great Nicobar Island, 6 degree 4 minutes north. Please write. 6 degree 4 minutes north is the Great Nicobar Island. We call this as Indra Point. How many of you know this Indra Point? Indra Point. Indra Point. Also called as Pygmalion Point, Parsons Point. Pygmalion Point, Parsons Point here. Okay, this place. Then, if you come to the mainland, Cape Camorin. This is the Cape Camorin here. Cape Camorin. 8 degree. It is 8 degree north. 8 degree north. Because we are in northern hemisphere. Why are we writing north? North means we are in northern hemisphere. North. 8 degree north. I am marking those points. 8 degree north. From here, all the way up to here is India. This is 37 degree north. 37 degree north. So can I say India is a very long country from north-south extent? We have a very large latitudinal extent. How many of you agree? India has a very large latitudinal extent from south to north, 3,214 kilometers long. What is the distance? Please draw a straight line. From north to south is 3,214 kilometers. From north to south. North to south, 3,214 kilometers. We have a very long extent. Okay, I can say we have a large latitudinal extent. Latitudinal extent of India is very high. Okay, 8 degree to 37 degree. Okay, now please mark Tropic of Cancer. Tropic of Cancer. Oh, 1 second, 1 second. I'll redraw this part. So please draw Tropic of Cancer now. The Tropic of Cancer, 23.5 degree north, passes through 8 states in India. Please check it out. All of you check Tropic of Cancer. 23.5 degree north. Tropic of Cancer passes through how many states? How many states? Check and tell me. Use your atlas, please. All of you use your atlas. Tropic of Cancer passes through 8 states. Hope all of you have written a proper India map. Please turn on your video and show me the map of India. Let me see. All of you turn on your video. You can turn on your video now. Let me see you as well as your map. Because it's been a long time, 5-6 days I'm doing the class. I don't have your, I've not seen you guys. So it will be another 10 days, I guess, or sorry, another month, August, I will be seeing you. So till then, I will be conducting online classes. Please turn on your video. Please wear proper clothes and turn on your video. Okay. Yeah, nice. Malatesh Kumar, very nice. Rakesh, yes. So please use your name also, okay? Because I don't know your name. If you are using like other name like Redmi, I can't identify you, right? Okay, Hemant. Okay. Jay Shri. Okay, some of you are writing it very well. Okay, you need improvement. We have a very beautiful country. Please don't draw something else. Okay. Practice, please practice. Okay. Even it is very difficult to write on the screen. So I have practiced. See, you can see how I have written. At least it should be close to that. Oh, Santosh. Wrong, very wrong, Santosh. Okay, Dheeraj is written very well. Hope you have not traced it, Dheeraj. Okay, no tracing allowed. Okay, Santosh, you need to improve your map here. Okay, your Jammu Kashmir is like missing, Santosh. Geeta is also done well. Yes. Geeta, why it looks like some fat lady? So please improve your map. Make it look like India. Yes. Divanshu is also nice. Like, okay, improve on it. Okay, rest of you are not showing in your map. Okay, it's okay, fine. But I request you guys to work on it. So you have to remember the latitudes now. Important latitudes we are marking. Okay, let's continue. 37° north to 8° north. Okay, please write this. So Tropic of Cancer passes through 8 states. So can I call this part of India as tropical India? This part of India as tropical India? Because it is between equator to Tropic of Cancer, it is tropical India. Notice that Andaman Nicobar is closer to equator. Closer to equator. Can I call it as equatorial India? So India have equatorial climate also. India has equatorial climate also because of proximity to equator. Because we are close to equator also here in Andaman Nicobar, we have equatorial climate. In Andaman Nicobar, we have equatorial climate. In South India, we have tropical climate. From 23.5 degree north up to 30°. Locate 30°, all of you. 30° comes here. Up to 30°, we have subtropical India also, subtropical climate. Then comes Himalayas. So this part comes in temperate. How many of you know that we have Himalayas in the northern part of India? So this Jammu Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, parts of Uttarakhand come in temperate. Because of the Himalayas, we have very high altitude cold climate, alpine. See, India is the India is a country with a very vast latitudinal extent, very vast latitudinal extent from south to north. Okay, so we have different climates: equatorial climate, tropical climate, subtropical climate, temperate and alpine. Okay, temperate and alpine. We have 5 types of climate. Can you guys name any other country in the world which has 5 unique climates? We have equatorial climate in Nicobar, Andaman Nicobar. Equatorial climate in Andaman Nicobar. Tropical climate in South India. Subtropical climate in North India. Temperate and alpine in north, extreme north, or Himalayas. So please name any other country in the world which has all these 5 climates. Russia, wrong. Praveen Verma, why are you introducing yourself? You're not supposed to chat in the class here. Hi, Uti, where are you from? Please don't. Praveen, please text me after the class. I would like to talk to you. Brazil, no. Vaishnavi, wrong. Not Brazil. Brazil has equatorial climate, tropical and subtropical. What about temperate and alpine? Do they have temperate and alpine? No, Varun, Bangladesh has only tropical climate and subtropical. No, Bangladesh. I'm saying all the 5 climates should be there, yeah. Yes. No other country in the world has all the 5 climates like we have. Okay, India is the only country. India is the only country with alpine climate, temperate climate, subtropical, tropical, equatorial. I'm not saying because I'm an Indian. Okay, I'm not saying this because I'm an Indian. I'm not saying this. After seeing many countries, I'm saying this. Okay, I've been to so many countries till now, so I've not seen all these type of climates in one country. Okay, so please remember. So please remember this, friends. Okay, so latitudes, all of you have understood, right? And I have applied it to India. I have applied it to India. So this map is very, very important. So like this, you have to learn. Okay, latitudes, parallels, we have marked. So let's understand longitudes now. So give the heading as longitudes, 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 and meridians, meridians. So now all of you notice the globe here. In my hand, we have globe. Okay, we have a globe here. You can notice. Do you notice this black rim? How many of you notice this black rim? Yes, it is connecting North Pole to South Pole, correct? It is starting from the North Pole. It is connecting to the South Pole here. Here, no, South Pole. So meridians are lines which connect North Pole to South Pole. Okay. So please remember, please remember, meridians are lines connecting North Pole to South Pole. Please write, meridians are lines connecting North Pole to South Pole. Nandini will discuss that later after the class. Okay, please give me some time. Okay, we'll discuss after this topic. In Africa, we have equatorial, tropical, subtropical, temperate, but alpine climate is missing. Only in Atlas Mountains we have small portion. Over Kilimanjaro, Mount Kilimanjaro, we have alpine. We can say Africa as a continent has all the 5. But country-wise, India is the only country in the world with climatic diversity. Too much of climatic diversity is only found in India. So this please. Meridians, longitudes and meridians. Meridians are lines connecting North Pole to South Pole. Do you notice these lines here? They are coming from North Pole here. North Pole, and they come and join South Pole. South Pole. South Pole. Meridians are lines joining North Pole to South Pole. They connect North Pole to South Pole. Please remember this. Please remember this. Okay, meridians. So the angle between 2 meridians with respect to the center is called as longitudes. Angle found by 2 meridians, angle found by 2 meridians with respect to the center is called as longitudes. Okay, let's say you cut the apple like this. So the angle found by 2 edges with respect to the center is called as longitude. How many of you have seen you have cut the apple like this? See, like this you cut the apple. So this point and this point, A and B, you mark with respect to the center. With respect to the center of the apple, calculate the angle. Correct? You know the angle, 20 degree, 30 degree, like that. So longitudes are angle found between 2 meridians. 2 meridians. So can I say Earth is like a circle? We can draw 360 meridians on the Earth, each of 1 degree, because we can divide the Earth into 360 degrees. We can divide the Earth into 360 degrees. So we can draw 360 meridians on the Earth. 360 meridians can be drawn, each of 1 degree space. Each of 1 degree spacing, we can draw 360 meridians. So they'll ask you how many meridians can be drawn? 360 meridians can be drawn because Earth is like a circle. Okay, geoid shaped circle. Okay, 360 meridians we can draw. See 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, like that, so on. Okay, so can I call this as 0? How many of you agree? I'll call this as 0. This black rim as 0. with respect to this 0, can I measure other 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 90, 180, 270, 360? I can measure all the other meridians with respect to this. Okay. Can I say 0 and 180 are diagonally opposite? How many of you agree? 0 and 180. See, I'm showing both. 0 and 180 are diagonally opposite. Diagonally opposite. They form a circle. They form a circle. 0 degree and 180, they form a circle. Like 90 to 70. 90 to 70 or 0, 180. They form a circle. They together form a circle. Okay. So the 0 and 180 degree, please write 0 degree and 180 degree. 180 degree form a circle. Form a circle. And divide Earth into east and west. They divide Earth into east and west. Eastern hemisphere, western hemisphere. Eastern hemisphere, western hemisphere. So everything to the east of 0 is east. Everything to the west of 0 is west. Okay, let's say your head, you draw a line here on your head. Okay, over your nose. You call this as meridian on your face, north to south, like this. 0 is this. Opposite is 180, right? 180 will be here, this side. 180 will be here. Okay, 180, 0. Together they form a circle. This side is east, this side is west. Check it out. I'm asking you to divide your head into two parts, eastern hemisphere, western hemisphere. Okay, agree all of you? Yes. Meridians are lines running north-south. How many of you agree? Meridians are lines connecting North Pole to South Pole. They run north-south. They run north-south. Please write that. Meridians are lines connecting North Pole to South Pole. They run north-south. North-south. Okay, please write. Longitudes are angle formed by meridians. Longitudes are angle formed by meridians. Okay, what is the angle formed by two meridians? It is called as meridians. Please write. Angle formed between two meridians is called as longitude. Please write. Angle formed by between two meridians. Angle formed between two meridians. Between two meridians is known as longitudes. So I'm going to consider 0 degree as reference here. Okay, just like equator, I'll take 0 degree here. I told you there are 360 meridians. Out of 360 meridian, I am going to consider 0 degree as prime meridian. What is prime is very important. Just like there are so many ministers and one of them is prime minister. There are so many ministers and one of them is prime minister. How many of you heard of this? What prime minister means? What Pradhan Mantri. It's very important. Okay, very important. Minister. Okay, so 0 degree is prime. Please wait, all of you. I'll come to that. Please wait. So prime meridian is 0 degree. Okay, prime meridian is 0 degree. We are considering that as 0. With reference to this, we can calculate the other meridians. Okay, so how many of you heard of Sir Stanford Fleming? Sir Stanford Fleming. Sir Stanford Fleming. Okay, he was a famous geographer who gave the concept of time zone. The concept of time zone was given by Sir Stanford Fleming. Sir Stanford Fleming gave the concept of time zone. Okay, as per Stanford Fleming, Earth takes nearly 23 hours, 56 minutes, 4 seconds to complete one rotation. So approximately 24 hours to complete one rotation. Agree? How many of you agree? To complete one rotation, Earth takes 24 hours. Yes, all of you agree with this. 24 hours, one rotation. So he considers Earth as 24 time zone. How many time zone? 24 time zones. That means each time zone is equal to 1 hour. Okay, we take 24 hours to complete one rotation. Okay, 24 time zones. Each time zone is equivalent to 1 hour. Please write this. Very important. Each time zone is equivalent to 1 hour. So Earth can be divided into how many time zones? 24 time zones. Each time zone is 1 hour. 12 time zone to the east, 12 time zone to the west. Okay. So I'll tell you a small calculation now. If one rotation is equal to 360 degree, how many of you agree with this? Can I say yes to this? One rotation is nothing but Earth should spin 360 degree once. Earth should spin 360 degree once. That is one rotation. Yes, all of you agree with that. Yes. So Earth should spin 360 degree once. It completes one spin in 24 hours. Completes one rotation in 24 hours. So that means in 1 hour, the Earth completes how many degrees? 15 degree. That means in 1 hour, Earth completes 15 degree. In 1 hour, Earth completes 15 degree. How many of you are able to understand up to here? So one spin is 360 degree. In 24 hours, Earth completes 360 degree, right? So in 1 hour, Earth rotates 15 degree. Okay, please remember this. So that means each time zone, can I say each time zone is equal to 15 degree? See here, because one time zone is 1 hour. One time zone is 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour is 15 degree. So as a result, we can say one time zone is equivalent to 15 degree. How many of you say yes? Yes, all of you should agree with this. All of you should understand. So what is 1 hour? 1 hour is 60 minutes. Do you agree now? 1 hour is 60 minutes. That means 1 degree is completed in how many minutes? Okay, please notice 1 hour is 60 minutes. So in 60 minutes, Earth is completing 15 degree. That means in 1 degree is completed in how many minutes? Okay. The one written in red are very important. This has been asked in the exam. UPSC prelims. UPSC. Okay, remember this, friends. Okay, very good. All of you have done this calculation. Very good, very good, very good. So very nice that all of you are following this. Very easy, right? Simple calculation we have done now. Because geography contains some physics, maths, biology, chemistry, and everything. So that makes it very interesting. So art students should not give up because this is the subject which helps you to remember all the other subjects. Geography will help you to understand history, economics, polity well. Okay, you'll know when I start the classes offline, you'll come to know about that. So is it clear, friends? Yes, very easy, right? Very easy. So Sir Stanford Fleming suggested that the 0 degree, the prime meridian, all of you right, 0 degree prime meridian, 0 degree prime meridian should pass through a place called, please write, 0 degree prime meridian should pass through a place called Greenwich, W silent, Greenwich, next to London, UK. It is pronounced as Greenwich in UK English. Greenwich, W silent. Please pronounce it as Greenwich. Greenwich is a town next to London, UK. So he said, who? Sir Stanford Fleming suggested that the 0 degree should pass through, see here, all of you see here. The prime meridian should pass through Greenwich next to London. Okay, I'll repeat again. Sir Stanford Fleming suggested that the 0 degree or prime meridian should pass through Greenwich, London, UK. Greenwich, this place. Why did he choose this place? 3 reasons. 1, there was a royal observatory here, ancient observatory. Observatories are places from where we watch the sky, gauge the stars, planets and all. Observatory, like Jantar Mantar. How many of you heard of Jantar Mantar? Jantar Mantars are our royal observatory in India, ancient royal observatory built by Savai Jai Singh II of Jaipur. Okay, just like that. Okay, in India also we have observatories. Similar kind of observatory was also there in Greenwich, London. Okay. Second reason, please write second reason. Second reason is, if you take this as 0, the opposite of 0, 180 will be in Pacific Ocean. 180 will pass through Pacific Ocean. That means if you take this place as 0 degree, the opposite 180 will pass over Pacific Ocean. So that will avoid all the time confusion. You'll know that. Please write. You'll understand this statement. B, you'll understand this. Please write. So this was suggested by Stanford Fleming, these 3 conditions. Third condition is, all the countries of the world had to accept this, because nearly 70 countries of the world were under UK control. UK was the superpower. Earlier, correct? UK was the superpower. India was a colony of UK earlier. Many countries were under the UK rule. As a result, all the countries had to accept this. Okay. So all this was decided in 1884. Remember, the British rule was there in India. 1884. The World Meridional Conference took place in Washington, DC. Where is Washington, DC? USA. Washington, DC is the capital of US. Yes, very good. So World Meridional Conference took place in 1884. So back then, India was a colony of UK. All of us know that. So we had no other argument here. So we had to accept it. So please write, all of you. Why the Greenwich was chosen? 3 reasons. Royal Observatory, 180 will be passing over Pacific Ocean, and UK was a superpower. All this was decided in 1884. International Meridional Conference. So all of you know the calculation, all of you know the Greenwich. Please look at Greenwich in your atlas. Go to Atlas. I'll show you the Atlas now. Go to the world map. All of you go to the world map. See, this kind of Atlas will be there. Go to the world map. Page number will be like 106. 106. Locate prime meridian now. How many of you are able to see the Atlas here on the screen? I'm showing you the Atlas here. See, this is prime meridian. It passes through UK here. See, UK, London, next to London. After UK, it passes to France, Spain, Algeria, Mali, Burkina Faso, Ghana. Can you all locate the countries? This is prime meridian. You can see prime meridian. Prime meridian. 0 degree. 0 degree. All this is east. This is west. 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 Clear to all of you? See, Washington DC is here. Washington DC. New Delhi is here. New Delhi. New Delhi. Do you all agree if I say India is in the eastern hemisphere? India is in the east. Yeah, India is here, east. Now, if you have a blank map, okay, today's class almost time up. Today's class almost time up, but in the next class, I want you to bring a blank map of the world. Please bring a blank map of the world. I'll show you how it should be. Give me 2 minutes, I'll show you. Okay, I'm going to show you the blank map. That kind of blank map, all of you should bring to the class. A4 size, A4 size. Okay, once again, I'll do one thing. I'll send you the map. You can all download it and take a printout. Can you do that? I'm sending you the world map now. Okay. Please see if you have got the file. The file should be there with everyone. Okay. Can you please download it? If possible, bring back to back. Don't waste paper. That means if you have a paper like this, take a print of this side as well as this side. Both the side you take a printout. Okay, both the side you take a printout. Full page like this. The map should come out like this. Here, like this. From here to here. Here to here. Full map. Will you do that? Okay. Please check. I have sent it to everyone. In the chat section, all of you click on chat. All of you click on chat, you'll get the file. How many of you have received the map? Please check, click, raise your hand. Okay, I'll send it in the group. Okay, if not, I'll send it again in the Telegram channel. In the Telegram channel, I'll send. Because in tomorrow's class, I'll teach you time zones. It's a very interesting topic. Okay, so I'll teach you the time zones like this. See, this kind of time zone map I'll draw and I'll show you that. Okay, this map I've sent you. This map I already have sent you. I just want you to bring it to the class tomorrow. Now, please see the screen. All of you see the screen now. Let me take a few minutes to complete this topic. Here, this is 0, 0, 0 degree, prime meridian. This side is east, eastern hemisphere. This side is west, west, western hemisphere. So I told you there are 12 time zones this side, 12 time zones this side, 12 time zones this side. How many time zones? 24 overall. 12 time zones to the east, 12 time zones to the west. Correct? So I can divide the earth into 12 time zones. This side is 180. Up to 180 I have to draw. Up to 180. This side also 180. What I have done is I have taken the globe. I have taken the globe and I have cut the globe at Pacific Ocean. In the Pacific Ocean, I have cut the globe. See here. In the Pacific Ocean, I have cut the globe here. What happens when you cut the globe at Pacific Ocean? You can open it like a map. Allah. You can open it like a map. That is the reason I'm getting two Pacific Ocean here. See? Here Pacific Ocean and here Pacific Ocean. Please check your old map and say whether you have understood or not. Why there is two Pacific Ocean on either side? Because we have cut the globe there. We have cut the globe and open it like a paper. So we got the world map, 2-dimensional. Maps are 2-dimensional representation of the Earth's surface. Yes, maps are 2-dimensional representation of the Earth's surface. Okay, there is only one Pacific Ocean. Since we have cut the globe, it appears in two sides. Two sides on the map. Okay, now this side, I'll divide the Earth into 12 parts. 1, okay, 15 degree east, then 30 degree east. Because each 15 degrees 1 hour. Each 15 degrees is equivalent to 1 hour, one time zone. Then 45 degree. Hope all of you know what I'm doing. 60 degree. 75 degree. 90 degree. How many of you are able to follow this? 105. 120. 135. 150. 165. 180. See, I got 180. See how many time zones? 1. Please tell me the time zones now. 1 time zone, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. See, I got 12 time zones. Similarly, this side also I have to do the same. Similarly, this side also, I have to divide the earth into this side also 15 degree west, 30 degree west, 45 degree west, 75 degree west, 90 degree west, 105 degree west, 120 degree west, 135 west, 150 west, 165 west, 180. See, I got 180 here also. So 15, 15, 15, 15, you have to jump. Will you do this? Take a scale, divide the entire map into two parts. Two parts. Okay. This should be the middle line. This should be the middle line. The prime meridian should be this one. Passing through UK, Europe, and Africa. Africa. This is prime meridian. So this side you mark east. This side you mark west. 12 plus 12, 24 time zone. Very good, Varun. 12 plus 12, 24 time zone. Divide the map into 24 parts, starting from here. 12 this side, 12 this side. Okay, will you do this? Okay, we'll do it tomorrow. Don't worry. You come to the class with the map. All of you, please come to the class tomorrow with the map. We'll do this in the class tomorrow. Okay. Once you know this, you can discuss time across the world. We can easily discuss the time across the world. Okay, longitudes tomorrow will be over. We can start with a new topic. Seasons. We can talk about seasons tomorrow. Shall I stop, friends? We'll discuss tomorrow. Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. We have discussed latitudes today. We applied it to India and we have covered meridians and longitudes. We have to apply it to time zones. We have to apply it to time zones. Have a nice day, all of you. So stay safe. Okay, stay safe. Thank you. Thank you very much. So please practice map. Please practice drawing map of India. Okay. There should be a lot of improvement in map writing. Okay. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thanks, Rashmi. Thanks a lot. All of you stay safe. Have a nice day. Thank you.